How to log in into Barclays online banking account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into your Barclays online banking account. So let's get started. First of all, open the preferred web browser and type in Barclays Bank and hit enter. Tap on the first official website of Barclays. Now, once you are on the homepage of the Barclays official website, tap on the online banking section at the top right corner. Now, you will be directed towards the login page. Here in the login option, you can see the various options. You can use the membership number, card number, or the sort code and account number. For now, we are taking the membership number. Type in the last name, membership number of 12 digits and tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, now you will be taken towards the page. Now you will need to enter your password and account number. Once you have entered your detail correctly, you will be logged in into your Barclays online banking account. Now you can manage your account, view transaction and much more. With this, you have successfully logged in into your Barclays online banking account. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.